Started today's vlog. As you can tell, things are printing just fine. Cookie Dragon's looking dope, really dope. Got 12 hours left on that one. As well as our Pocket Peep slug. This is actually batch number 2. When I woke up and took the kids to school this morning, we already got our first batch done, and they're just so freaking cute. Which is kind of cool because it's back to almost like day 1 for us, because these are one of the first prints we had when we started doing our batches of stuff, and they were on our keychains. So we got lots to make, lots to do. 100% confirmed now, if I have not mentioned it from last vlog, these types of filament do not work with the AMS light system or feed through the A1 minis very well at all. Keep that in mind when you decide to order this filament. It is very arguably one of the best looking dual silks ever we've seen. I mean, even from that dragon right now, it's looking really, really good. As you can tell, there's some imperfections. Let's go into detail why that may be. As you can see, the respooling that I did manually by hand ended up just being spooled on there just randomly. So this may have something to do with it. In most cases, I will do anything and whatever it takes to only use the bamboo spools, but I will take a chance at using this plastic one to see what it looks like when it's just fully spooled correctly and on and inside there. It may not roll properly, and that's just going to put a little bit more wear and tear, but I can do it just this one time to test this brand on being put straight into the AMS system for the carbon, because I've already tested multiple different ways on the AMS light system and it does not work. But this is, like I said, we're putting everything to the test to see what it's like to print with different types of filament brands, and this is one of the things that you're going to want to keep in mind. It will not work with the AMS light system unless there is a way to create a spooler. Something that's much more of a priority that's been like 3 weeks delayed now is our poster boards that we need to get done. So something I've been doing lately is, the last vlog and this vlog is testing 3 different thumbnails to see which one does better, so I can figure out what y'all like to see, what catches your eyes, things like that, and so I can continue to adjust and perfect those thumbnails for future videos. Each video that comes out, I learn a little bit more and more on what you guys want, and basically keeping it on the same line with attention, or not even attention, but realism on what we do for vlogging behind the scenes and being transparent, but also trying to catch attention from new people, so those new people can see what we have going on and start showcasing our realism and our authenticity. But yeah, I've got 3 different thumbnails that I'm going to be testing out to see which one does the best, and we'll go from there. We are outside painting the first product. This one's going to be with the satin color to give it more of a stone look. I don't have much left, so we'll see if it'll be enough to cover it. If not, we're going solid black. But here's the teeth too for the snake here. We're gonna get this primed up too, so this can be painted in a metallic color. Alright, it's time for stage 2. So I decided to go with a freaking full-on gold, because you can't tell me that does not look amazing. So I decided to do that, and we're gonna finish up the gold here. This sprays so well. It's doing so little on the spray capability.
It looks so cool.
I am extremely satisfied with the results of just full-on gold. Again, we are doing a second one of the can holders, dice towers. We got 2 of each so far. Dragon is looking beautiful. And then we are doing our 3rd and final batch of Pocket Peeps for the slugs, which I'm hoping we have just enough of. We'll actually find out here shortly, that's for sure. I will say confidently, I do not think we'll have enough to finish the batch. So, but we'll end up seeing. It's an early morning here today. Ran out of the orange, so we switched it up to the blue. It's gonna be painted gold, so we gotta finish it out and get this done. Again, the dragon is still going, only because in the back it clogged up. It's clogged up like 3 times in the last 24 hours back there. But it's going. It is going. All right, we on the next order of business with spray painting. We're gonna do one full gold and then one full black with gold speckles and see which one I like more. But checking out the paint right now. Getting things ready to go for it. Dude, this one is great. This Rust-Oleum is awesome. Spray upside down, angled. All right, first layer is done. Let's see what touch-ups I need to do later. We got our next batch of Pocket Peeps going on A1 Mini Kale right now. And it's some polar bears. Me and Amanda have decided what we're printing next. We got big inspirations on what we wanted to do next. We wanted to do a crystal dragon, or specifically Amanda wanted to do a crystal dragon, inspired by this guy here to do something that's going to highlight the dual color and black, because I don't really like the brown too much. Amanda doesn't really like the brown too much. It doesn't really fit. So, and she's really excited to do a black and white crystal dragon. This one complete. So this time tomorrow, we're going to need to figure out how to make a filament order. But first, we have other finances to take care of and see what the next process is on that. Because we have a lot more other things, from importance, medium importance, to not as important. And we need to take care of all that stuff. But there's things that we want to do, and we are slowly pushing out more TikToks, more Instagram posts, more Facebook posts. So make sure you guys are following us on all social media platforms. Also, Amanda had a question for you guys. She's wondering what you guys would like to see across all our social media pages. On TikTok is shorts. Ideas you guys would like us to explore on there. You know, shorts on YouTube. What kind of content that you guys want to see us produce on a kind of almost like for now, realistically, twice a week basis on YouTube for YouTube Shorts. TikTok, we're trying to push every day over there. So leaving some ideas and some things that could entertain you guys that you guys would like to see us do, please leave them in the comment section below. And we're going to go ahead and continue the night. The polar bears are still being printed right now, and we're going to go ahead and watch the rest of Daredevil. Dragon is a go for tonight. It's going to be nice to see another long one. We haven't gotten a long one done in a minute. So really cool. Really excited to see how the process goes for this one. As well as the polar bears should be done by the morning. Those are looking really good. Actually, they're better sized than last time too. We corrected the size, making them a little bit smaller, more Pocket Peeps friendly. Second crystal dragon that's about to get started. And we have some more polar bears that are going to be added to the Pocket Peeps bundle. Not too sure yet again if I'm going to have enough, but we'll see in the morning. Does that need to be heat gunned?
Yeah.
Or this one too?
Yes.
I will work on those, and I will heat gun these to get all the little stringies off, and we'll start getting a bunch of new product pictures done. All right, we are in the process of doing this stuff now. We are doing some product pictures right now. Guess I'm going to test out the mic capability, see how far away I can get from the phone without it losing track of what I'm doing and saying. And let's see if I can actually go into a building with a metal roof doing the same exact thing. And find out if it can still pick up my audios from thus far. And you know what? Totally forgot why the hell I came in here. I came in here for something. Amanda's getting to work on product pictures for the wine holders right now. Right now we're having a dual session here. I'm going to do a little vlog. We're doing a little dual section here for a second. where we're going to intertwine our two channels in the one right now, because I do have to vlog this because it's actually part of our day. So again, if you guys enjoy the content we're producing here and you guys want to see us on a daily basis, go check out Rockmanda's vlogs on YouTube. Literally, y'all about to get at least audio behind the scenes of what goes on over here. As you guys can tell, we are doing some product pictures. We are actually filming right now for the Family Print Project on that YouTube channel. So make sure to check out the Family Print Project. Amanda is doing some product pictures for our channel, for our page, for our website, and getting things done. I actually just came back from getting the controller for our controller holders. All right, and I am looking for our other products. Well, Amanda got scared of the bugs, so we are putting up the tent. So we're setting up out here to do some product pictures because for some reason the bugs want to just come out right now and sit around us. Well, we got the tent up. Now we need to just finish setting up over there.
Get out of here. I think it was just a fly. Anyways. This one's so like weird and long. I don't know how to take a picture. Should I try to take one on my hand or something?
All right, we're back and rolling.
Can you maybe put it more in front of me and not?
By the way, this is the realism that it takes to get a thumbnail picture when we actually actively need to without grabbing a screen grab from the video.
So I need to take a picture of this. Oh, I think I already have a picture of that. Why? It took so cute. Okay, grab these. We have the right gear already. Thanks. Thank you so much. Alright. Don't know if I'll ever use that, but alright.
Your phone. I took a picture again.
Okay, come on, Rocky.
We have wrapped up what we needed to shoot for outside, and then we did another dragon, but unfortunately this one shifted over.
We have that one.
Massive layer line shift. Looks like the kids want it, so. All right, so right now I'm actually going to the trash to see if it's got space to put some of the stuff on the patio in the trash, because I gotta make some more spaces for these boxes. My mom's fiance, I don't think I have space for that, is actually coming by to drop out these boxes, helping me out. So I gotta make some more space and get things done. The batch number 2 of boxes. All these guys here. So let's get this done. Thanks to my mom's fiance, Giordano. We got all these boxes ready to go, and there's still more boxes to come, but we are set on boxes for quite some time. All right, we gotta finish up painting one of these today, so we're gonna do some black and then some metallic gold on top of it. That's gonna end it for this week's vlog. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you like this video, leave comments down below. Also, if you guys want to catch us on a daily basis, I do want to emphasize we have been going strong with daily vlogs on our family vlog channel for 20 days straight. So there's plenty of content from even the last couple years on there to really get to know what it was like before we started our business and get some behind the scenes stuff of everything that we like to do, you know, with cruising, going traveling, work, things like that. That's all on that page, so we highly recommend you guys check it out. And stay tuned for next week, because we're going to start with something that we've been meaning to cover on this channel for a while. So stay tuned for that, and we'll catch y'all next week. Bye, guys.